After plugged in, the power indicator will light up. Press the power button to turn on the heater. The default setting is H1 heating mode. When turning off the heater, there will be a 15-second countdown for the heater to dissipate the heat before shutdown. Press the mode button to cycle through 3 modes: fan mode, heating mode, echo mode. Heating mode has 3 levels. Press the plus/minus buttons to change the level after entering heat mode. The temperature cannot be adjusted, with H3 being the highest. In echo mode, use plus/minus to set temperature from 41 to 99 Fahrenheit in 1 Fahrenheit increments. The unit stops when the set temperature is reached and restarts automatically if the room gets colder. In fan mode, only the fan is working. The temperature cannot be adjusted. Press and hold mode button for more than 3 seconds to activate child lock function. The corresponding indicator will light up. Under this function, all the buttons will not respond. Press and hold again for more than 3 seconds to unlock. Press the timer button to enter the timer setting. Then use plus/minus to adjust the auto-off time from 0 to 24 hours in 1-hour increments. After the time is set, the display will first return to the mode display, then to the time settings display, and the corresponding timer indicator will light up. To cancel the timer, press the timer button. The timer indicator will flash, then press again. Press to turn off the voice. The voice-off indicator will light up. Press again to turn the voice back on. Press the power button on the remote control to turn on the machine. Press the mode button to cycle through 3 modes. Press the plus/minus buttons to change the level after entering heat mode. In echo mode, use plus/minus to set temperature. In fan mode, only the fan is working. Press the timer button to enter the timer setting, then use plus/minus to adjust. Press twice to cancel the timer. Press to turn off the light of LED display. Press again to turn it back on. Press to turn off the voice. Press again to turn it back on. Press the power button to turn off the machine. There will be a 15-second countdown.